Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Guess what I got in the mail? It is my nails. Yes guys, I'm sorry this is a late share, but this is coming from Wandy. And she is Nails by Wandy on Facebook. And she sells Color Street. So they came in yesterday. I just didn't have any energy whatsoever. But here it is, guys. And I was one of the lucky ones that got to order and receive a free gift with my purchase. Oh, wait a minute. Girl. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the nails probably are on the way, but she sent me a sample and the bracelet. Girl. Thank you, Wandy. Loving the glitter. Yes, girl, yes. OMG. I'm so excited for this, guys, because it is so cute. Yes, girl. I'm going to be wearing this for the Christmas videos. Jing-a-ling-a-ling. Ling-a-ling. Look at that. We got a light bulb. We got a snowman. And she's got a little angel here and a little pearl. This is so cute. And then you have Color Street. Where's my camera? There it is. And this cute little, what is this? A bead, wire wrap bead. And this itty bitty jingle bell down here. I love it. Thank you, Wandy. Thank you, thank you. You guys, if you don't know, go check out Wandy on Instagram. Her stories, she shares her nails that she gets in. I also got another mail here. This is a little happy mail that I just got today. And it's coming from our good friend Kat, who is Lolly Thimble. She was Lolly Thimble on YouTube. She had an awesome YouTube channel. And she is so amazing. She sends happy mail out to a bunch of us, and I don't know how she does it, but she does. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. To brew later. Hi sweetie, a little something to bring a smile. Hope you're well and staying safe. XOXO Cat. Look at the little witch. Little witch, so adorable. It says scaredy cat. Yes, I am. You know I am, because I don't watch scary movies. I do not. That is so cool. She bubble wrapped it so it wouldn't get ruined in the mail. Look, I got a paper clip. Yes, I've seen everybody's happy mail unboxing from Kat. Yes, girl. I got a happy mail from Kat. Can I open? Oh yes. I was about to bust open the bottom. So smart. So Kat uses no pattern and no die cut. This is all from her hand and her brain. So gorgeous. These are her designs and her little faces. Let me share that. Glorious. Look at the purple. Yes. I'm so ridiculous, but I love it. You see those happy little faces? They're so sweet. Super cute. Thank you. And then she even wrote my name on the little baggie. But look, oh my gosh. Her gorgeous little Halloween tag. Oh my goodness, Kat. So beautiful. It says trick or treat. She's got her little blingy blings over here. She got some twine. I love it. Oh my gosh. She's got little potion bubbles, little swirlies. This is adorable. I love that she used the seam binding up here. And then she just signed it XO 2020 Kat. See her little kitty there. So cute. I love it. Oh, yes, I got my little cat fix today. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Kat. I forgot to show you her little bag topper. So blingy. Love it. Googly eyes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have one more to share with you. one more, and this is coming from Paperktty. I believe this was supposed to be my birthday entry. I got this one in yesterday also. I just did not have enough time or energy to get through a video. Was not feeling it. So here we go. It open. Did I say who this is from already? Oh my gosh, look at the purple. Look at the confetti. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, Paperktty 99. Yes, ma'am. She did her thing. She did her thing. Let me move this right over just like that, right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's two little packages here. So I'm going to go with this one because it was on top. And let's see what is in this. Oh my gosh, I should put more confetti in here. Oh my goodness. She made a tag flip. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me, hold on. Sorry guys, I had to make some room, so made sure I had some space to share with you all this beautiful tag. Oh my goodness. This a chunky little monkey right here. Oh my goodness. And she has the bedangles all on the, wow. And all the tags have little ribbons on there. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Isn't that cute? This little frosted bee there. And she's got the little cabochon flowers there. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Look at the pom-pom. She made that into a charm. So sweet. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh. And she made her tags, guys. Paperktty 99. Yes, girl. Thank you for doing that. Oh my gosh. So she did her own tags and stitched all of them all the way around. And she's got fabric and felt and what is this paper? Vellum and thread and all the textures, guys, and tulle. I love it. Look at this. Is all fabric here, right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So she stitched fabric onto the tag, and then she layered more fabric. There's a strip under here. She's got one there, like a little quilt laid on the tag. And then she's got her paper rosettes here. Look at the little kitty. And it says smile. So much texture and patterns to look at. And she's got this chunky ribbon up here on the top. Oh my gosh. Look at this tag. Oh my gosh. Every tag is stitched in the layer of fabric and paper. What a beautiful combination of paper and fabric. I don't know. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And she's got her chunky rosette and this purple button right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I love all this texture, guys. There's paper, thread, tulle, ribbon. Oh my gosh. Buttons. Oh, everything. Everything. Here's another one. And then they just get bigger and bigger as you go through. But she's got it stitched with the zigzag stitching and all different colored threads too. What she did also, she covered the back with paper, so the stitching on the back wouldn't be seen. And she's got eyelets on here. Oh my gosh, be amazing, shine bright. More layers of fabric here underneath. Another rosette. There's some thread here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. So much texture and stitching and details of very textile person is what I am. And to see all this is sewing. I love sewing. And then to see it on the tags, it just pops, guys. It's so gorgeous. It says Daydreamer. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is just the tag flip. Just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And then this is, I bet, her memory decks card. Can you imagine that's her tags? Can you imagine what her memory decks card is going to look like? I cannot. Oh my God. Wow. This is just... She's got the little leopard on here, and it's all glittered. There's layers on layers on layers. The vellum rosette. She's got balloons in the background. You are beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Okay, and there it is. There's a touch of fabric. She's got a fabric bow on here for a closure, and it's got those gabled openings for the card. Okay, so I have to open this, undo it. Let me see. Uh-oh, let's see. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, that is so adorable, guys. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So the doors open and it presents itself. A little cupcake and a birthday banners and balloons. It says happy birthday. And she made a pocket also. Let me see if I can get it out. Oh gosh, here we go. See that? It just goes in and out. It slides right in there. What a genius. So there's her sticker here. It says Paperktty 99. I believe that is her handle on Instagram. She said, so her little note is back here. It says, happy birthday, Eileen. Hope you like the Paperktty 99 style medley. Memory decks, mem decks. With gatefold and ribbon tie. I love it, girly. Are you kidding me? And she's got her little kitty on the front of the tag. And then it says you can find me almost anywhere on Paperktty 99 on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Paperktty 99. Yes, girly. I will put your links in the description box below. Thank you for sharing with me all of your beautiful creations. I so love it. Oh my gosh. And this little gable closing, so adorable. It's perfect. So many textures, so much inspiration. You guys, please go check out Paperktty 99 on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I will leave all the links in the description box. And tell her, you know, go send her some crafty love and tell her where you came from. Yes, guys. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thank you so much for coming back day after day. And just thinking of me and being so gracious with me. I'm not the perfect crafter. I'm not the perfect planner, but I try to get it out there and try to make it, you know, on time or in time or whatever it is. But thanks for watching. I don't know where I was going with all of that, but I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.